smart baby girl. Oh, you're my baby girl. Now. You're doing so good, baby. There you go.
Rabbit.
That's a bee.
Bee.
She said rabbit. I think that she thought the wings were the ears. Oh, what?
Oh.
Oh, that was odd.
Take out a book, baby.
So take out a book out of that. Why don't we read this one?
Look,
A little short,
that one,
smaller.
that one's short.
This one?
Yeah.
That one, numbers in it? Oh, I'm sorry.
We used to have number cards. I don't know.
I guess now we know where she's getting them from.
Yeah, that's one of her favorite books. She always has to read my book, my book. Give me any ideas. Are you reading, baby? That's Pocahontas. Yeah. Every time I try and read that to you, you don't listen.
Probably really long.
Which one is that?
Sonia, let's read this one.
Pocahontas.
Come here.
I've read that one.
Come here, let's read it. Want me to read it to you?
Bee.
Come sit right here.
Go
Come sit with
sit,
me.
go sit with Miss Carrie.
Come here. You got my toenails?
Look at her toes, baby. Say pretty.
Taking a long way. Okay.
She doesn't have socks on, babe.
What's that? What's the duck say? What's that? What does the pig say? What's that?
You're so smart, baby.
Rooster? What is that? What does the rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Can you say that?
She's like, wow, that's good. Give the kitty kitty a kiss.
Right on his back.
Give him a hug. What about your arms? You're not going to give him a real hug? You don't have to.
She's like, oh,
I don't wonder, baby.
what's that? That's a really bad bear. That really doesn't
It's
look-
yellow.
It's a bear? What's the bear say?
What color is
Bear
that?
say? Grr.
What color is that?
What color is this? Yellow.
Should I see? That's a lot. You know what that
What's that
is.
animal? Yeah, that's white. But what's the animal? What's the animal? What does the cow say?
You know that, baby. What's, yeah.
What does the lion say?
No.
Maybe a little one. What's the
Maybe
lion
a
say?
baby lion.
Say it.
She just did. That's what she was just doing. That
I
raw.
wanted to get scared.
She can't be scary.
So the cat.
I don't know.
What does it say?
Sonia, where's your nose?
A rat.
Where's your eyes? Where's your mouth? Where's your teeth? Yeah, they're in there.
Somewhere in here.
Where's your hair? Yeah, don't mess it up now. Where's your ear? Where's your belly? I didn't tell you to show.